Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some bee swarm simulator. This is our second episode. I have gotten a new app. The game is still loading. There isn't any more codes, unfortunately. But today we're going to be trying to finish our quests. There comes the music. I'll just turn it down. Alright, I think that's good. So I think I got a good enough avatar. If you guys think it's good, just comment down below. Pretty funny. I'll admit that. So what's our quest again? 5 treats and 600 red pollen. I can do both of those. So it's like, you gotta do that, level them up, and then I think you do something else. So much was it? 5? Yeah. So, let's go to Mama Bear. I'm not gonna get any pollen from here because, as you see, there's not that much red, but I will go to Mushroom Field because there is a lot of red there. I think the best field in here is actually the Clover Field because it has a bunch of each. Ooh. He has the sunflower, that means he's gonna spit out goo. Spit it out. Yay! Alright, where's the next one, buddy? Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Red. I can get that one, I can get this one. Yeah, double sunflower. Always good. And honey. Oh, I almost got all of them in that. Alright, and so now he's done. Let's go over to the mushroom field and get that big amount of red pollen. Then we'll probably do the parkour. That wasn't a lot of honey. That was only 43 honey, I'm pretty sure. So, this is the best field to get red pollen in the first area. Hopefully, in this episode, we get 5 bees. So we can head over to the new area and try to defeat the spider, because I know that there's a spider over there. But I probably won't be able to do it without the fire bee, because he has the most damage. 2 more quests and we'll get the silver. Into the blue, so I think that's 1,000 blue pollen. Alright, so we're gonna head over to the blue flower field. Oh yeah, I was gonna do that parkour. We'll try to do it at the end of the video, because it's always gonna be there, and this will just give us an extra speed boost. Boop, boop, boop. Bees, where are you? Kill the blue. Kill the rhino. I hate when you get this stuff up here when they're in the air, because it takes you a while to get them all if it spawns in the air. Alright, I'll get a lot of blue pollen from right there. Where are the fireflies going? I can't even see them. How do I not have 1,000 blue pollen yet? Looks like they're heading over to the strawberry field. Yeah, I was right. Well, I'm not always right. I'm just saying that. How much more blue pollen do you need? Oh, there. I'm just like, how much more? And then like 2 seconds after I check, it's already ready. So, this is our second episode of Bee Swarm Simulator. If it's not cool enough, don't watch it. In my other episode, you should go check and see, like, all of the codes that I did. because if you want to see some codes, I would head over to see that video. One more quest to get another bee. Isn't this 1,000 from each field? I can actually do that in one run, actually. Because look, I have 3,000. I need to get 3,000. What's the quest for Mama Bear? 10 treats and a sunflower seed. Did that. No, I don't want to use this thing. 10 treats, if I'm sure. That was a lot of treats to level up him. I'm pretty sure the next episode, guys, will not be Bee Storm. I think we will do. What we'll do is start Bubblegum Simulator, and until we get good at Bubblegum, we'll head over to some other simulator. We'll check out some fun games, some weird games. I'm not sure. Let's see our stats right now. Not that good. I need better conversion rate. Does this work? Enter code. Alright, so now let's go do this, guys. I think it's mushroom, clover, and blue flower. And we can head over to Mama Bear. On my other account, I have the scythe and the Porto Hive for my loadout. Gist of jellies. Oh, we got a royal jelly, guys. That's really good. Because now we can use our royal jelly on our level 4. I'm actually going to use that royal jelly on the level 4 basic bee because it's a higher level. I'll have to keep this out to see if I get 1,000 each time. Ooh, we got a strawberry. I'm only keeping this thing out because I don't know when I'll hit 1,000 on each field. Looks like we just hit it. The clover field has a lot of enemies, and the rhino beetle is about to spawn. I hope we get a blue bee for our next bee, because we haven't gotten a blue bee in a while. Like, we actually didn't have any blue bees, even when we used a lot of the royal jellies in the first episode. So, like, it looks like this spot will give me the most. And I think we'll be able to get out of here before the rhino beetle spawns. I'm probably not right, but we'll see. My computer keeps making sounds, probably because my, the Wi-Fi wasn't working, like, a while ago. Like, I kept going on, like, every Wi-Fi connection, and it wouldn't work. Like, I tried all the tricks, like the turn off the account, turn off the thing. See, like, this thing gives me at least 30 each time I scoop up some pollen. This is probably the best field in the first area. When I first played, I didn't even know this was an area. Let's get all that good honey. Stuff. And it looks like we'll be getting ourselves a silver egg. We've hit 20,000 honey. Well, this episode is basically just me doing stuff, but I'm really happy that we got a silver egg. First silver egg of this account. Impressive. Guys, we got the silver egg. And next we get the gold egg, and then we get the diamond egg. I'm so excited. So guess what this means? While we do this, I'll feed our treats to this guy. Use the royal jelly. Him. Hasty bee. Yay. Now he can run faster. Silver egg. Yay, we got a blue bee, guys. That's what I wanted. It's very lucky that I got this. I'm gonna see if I can get any, like, special equipment from the shop. And I'm pretty sure what we'll be working on next episode is conversion. I'll be trying to get as many bees as I can next episode. I'm saving up my tickets because in that ticket shop, you can get a gold egg for 50 tickets. So it looks like we're done with this now. I'm pretty sure we can get the boots. But if I'm not sure, I don't really care. Do we have any blueberries? We don't have any blueberries, so we probably won't be able to get the boots, but we might be able to get something else. So if we come back here, I'm saving up my, those things. Save up those. Alright, I just need a moon charm. If I'm lucky to get the, I don't know what I was about to say. How many bees do I have? 4. Let's go get another egg. And then we'll be able to get to the bamboo field. Guys, we have gotten the 5th bee of our team. We have upgraded our team a lot since the first episode. I'm very happy. If you can't tell. So let's head over there. And tomorrow we will try to nail that parkour up there to the royal jelly. And I know that there is another parkour up here, and I know how to get, like, 2 royal jellies in this area. There is a secret area, which I will show you. And here comes the spider. Guys, this is our first spider killed of my series. I hope we can kill him, because I have never killed a spider before on this account. And I really don't want him to kill me. Come on, bees. I know you can kill him. Yay! Level up. Yay! Level up on my blue bee. And we have the 4,000 from here. Kill him. Yay! First blueberry. Another blueberry. Alright guys, you see this royal jelly up there? I know a secret way to get it. You can get it with the best boots in the game if you just jump up there, but if you're in this area you probably won't get it right away, like if you just got in here like me. So, you drop down here, and there's a little area back here. It'll get a little dark, but you walk through here, and until you see light, you turn left, like right here, then jump, jump! Guys, we found the secret royal jelly, and there is a parkour up there, and to the moon charm thing, but we don't have any moon charms, so we can't really get up into there. So it looks like that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. Today's like goal will be, let's try to hit 4 likes. 4 likes. Subscribe if you're new, and hit the bell if you don't want to miss an upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.